In this video, we will check how to use the Rosetta Stone app to learn a language. First of all, let's navigate to and open the Rosetta Stone app on your phone. When it opens, you'll see a page asking you to either log in or, if you're a new user, tap Sign Up at the bottom. On the next screen, choose the language you want to learn. There are several options available, but for now, I will pick German and then tap on Start. You'll be taken to a page asking for your name. Enter your profile name and tap Next at the bottom. Next, enter your email address to create your account and tap Next. Now, create a strong password with at least 8 characters, including special characters. After setting the password, tap Create Account at the bottom. You'll then see a prompt to allow notifications for practice reminders. Enable notifications if you like. After that, you'll be asked to choose a plan. Select the one you want, but to try the free version, tap No Thanks. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page. There, you'll see basic language units displayed. To start learning, tap on Get Started, and you'll be taken to the lesson page. Here, you will find different modules for each unit. In the basic unit, you'll find 4 to 5 modules, including 5 to 10 lessons each. From the top, tap the 3 lines. This shows the same unit modules again. You can choose whichever one you wish to learn. Go back to the home page, and now, from the top, if you tap on these square icons, a side menu will appear where you can also access community features like chat missions, Sapphire Studio, flashcards, and tutoring. You can also check the list of units and select one that you want to learn. Go back to the home page. From the top, tap on your profile icon, and it will open the account settings where you can manage your account, language preferences, subscriptions, and app settings. And if you want to sign out, just tap Log Out at the bottom of the page. Now go back to the home page. If you swipe left, you can again view the learning units step by step. To begin, just select a unit and start learning, and that's how the Rosetta Stone app works.